In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to generate operator license compliance risk score using your portal on Traffic Commissioner's website. First, we need to log in to the operator license portal, which is done through Traffic Commissioner's website. Then we tap Manage your operator's license, Start, and complete the login details, which I'm doing right now. So now I'm successfully logged in to the operator's license, and if I scroll down, I will see the number of options here, one of them your DVSA operator reports. And I land on this page where I need to select one of the 4 options. First one is view your current operator compliance risk score, which will only be displayed the color we are currently under. The second option is request operator compliance risk score, which is what we want to do. The third option is the MOT history, and fourth option is vehicle encounter report, which tells us when our vehicles were stopped by DVSA. So I press continue and I'm taken to the page where I need to give more details. So first option is please select your operator license. So if you've got multiple operator licenses on this portal, then you will be able to select one of them, or you can simply just tick for all of the licenses. Then we've got the date, and do I want to have positive events? Yes. And the report format, I want the PDF. After that, I simply tap submit. As you can see, the request is now complete. The report will be sent to you via email. It says they will do it within 2 working days. However, normally it is received within a couple of hours. So this is how it's done. My name is Roman. This is a Fleet Planner compliance video. If this was helpful, please give us a like and follow us for more.